EspressoWorks, the all-in-one espresso maker. Equipped with the advanced thermoblock heating system, it is ready for use in 45 seconds or less. Fill up the front view water tank. Grind your favorite beans to a fine grind using the easy-to-use plug-in electric bean grinder. Select the single shot or double shot filter basket and guide it into the stainless steel portafilter. Using the tamper measuring spoon, fill the filter basket with espresso grinds. Tap the grinds firmly. Lock the portafilter into the machine and place one or two of the ceramic cups under the filter holder. Press the on and off button. After a few seconds, the green light will illuminate, indicating the machine is ready for brewing or steaming. Turn the dial to espresso position and your espresso shot will begin to extract. When finished, simply turn the dial back to the middle offsetting. EspressoWorks all-in-one set comes with a powerful, easy-to-use built-in steam wand to heat and froth milk to create a delicious latte or cappuccino. The all-in-one espresso and cappuccino maker, brought to you by EspressoWorks.
Experience powerful blending and chopping in the palm of your hand with the KitchenAid 3-speed hand blender. Puree, crush, chop, and whisk using the simple one-touch control. The splash guard increases airflow and helps prevent splashing, while the removable 8-inch stainless steel blending arm makes it easy to blend anywhere, even in deeper pitchers or pots. Mix and store homemade sauces or baby food purees in the 3-cup BPA-free blending jar. Cleanup is quick and easy, so you have more time to enjoy your creations. Premium performance, exceptional results, legendary KitchenAid quality. release for Hamilton Beach. Our Eclectrics stand mixer fuses all metal durability with over a century of mixing innovation. Planetary mixing action spins the mixing head as it rotates completely inside the bowl, removing the need to stop and scrape the sides. This revolutionary action provides superior mixing compared to traditional 2-beater stand mixers. A powerful 400-watt motor handles everything from simple mixing to the thickest cookie dough, and it can also whip cream in no time. 12 settings give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. Adding ingredients while preparing a recipe is easy. The head tilts up out of the way for bowl access, or you can use the pouring shield to add ingredients. Non-slip feet keep the mixer still while in use, and the shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. The non-stick flat beater, dough hook, whisk, and the stainless steel 4.5 quart mixing bowl are all dishwasher safe for fast cleanup.